So, good evening students. I am Professor P.B. Ingre. So, today we have to start the chapter number first of a new syllabus. What is the name of the chapter? Rotational dynamics. New syllabus of physics 12th class in the year of 2020-21. Chapter number first, right? Chapter number first chapters. Okay. So students, chapter number 1. So first of all, we write down the definition of rotational dynamics. Okay. Definition of rotational dynamics. Okay, means what is the definition of this rotational dynamics? So very simple definition. See boys here, the rotational dynamics is defined as the rotational dynamics is defined as the body moves along the circumference of a circle, that is circular path, comma, a body moves along the curve road. The body moves along the curve path, and lastly, okay, listen here, what is I am write down? The rotational dynamics is defined as the body moves along the circumference of a circle, that is circular path. Second, a body moves along the curve path, and lastly, body rotates about its own axis. Is called as rotational dynamics. Yes or no? Yes, right? This is the simple definition I am write down here. What is the definition? The rotational dynamics is defined as the body moves along the circumference of a circle. Let's we consider the one circular plate here. Okay, and suppose the body, or we consider the any particle also. Suppose you consider any body, any particle is here. Suppose we consider this. So this particle or body is move along the circumference of a circle. This is the circumference of a circle, right? Another example, what is we consider here? A body is move along a curve path, means there is a curvilinear motions, right? Along the curvilinear motion, the motion of a body or motion of a particles. Then another concept, a body rotates about its own axis. Suppose this is the body, this body having this axis. This is the axis of a body. So this body is rotates about its own axis like that. The body rotates about its own axis. This concept, it is called as a rotational dynamics. Yes or no, students? Yes. So what is we write down the some points here? Some points we have to write down here. So what are these points? See, means after these two example, you consider this example and this example. So what is we write down here? We write down the rotational dynamics. The rotational dynamics is a combination of circular motion and rotational motion. Right? This first point we have to write down here. What is the point we write down? The rotational dynamics is a combination of circular motion and rotational motion. Means in rotational dynamics, what is we learn? We learn the circular motion as well as what is we learn? We learn the rotational motions. Okay. So let's first of all we discuss the concept of these circular motions here. First concept, suppose I write down here A, circular motion. Right, first concept, because I am write down here what is the rotational dynamics is a combination of circular motion and rotational motion. So first of all I write down the definition of circular motion is here. So see here what is the definition? The motion of particles, the motion of particles or body along the what is the motion of a particles, the motion of a particles or a body along the circumference of a circle, along the circumference of a circle is called as circular motion. Circular motion. A simple definition I am write down here. What is the definition? See once again, the motion of a particles. Okay, particles, because if you consider any object, if you consider this object is lot of particles, right? So motion of a particles or body along the circumference of a circle is called as circular motions, right? And if you consider some examples of this, what are the example, boys? The first example we consider the earth revolving around the sun. This is the one example, right? Second example, what is the moon revolving around the earth. This is the one examples, right? What is the third example? You tell me. Third example, correct? The electrons revolving around the nucleus, and last example, if you consider, there are so many example because we know that in everyday life we have to familiar with which motion? Rotational motion and circular motion. Everyday life we have to feel. This is our introduction of a first chapter. The name is rotational dynamics, because we know that every day we have to observe the circular motion as well as what is rotational motions. These are the simple examples. Yes or no? Yes. So fourth example is what is, if you consider everyday life, the watch, right? So watch is what is, the tip of minute hand, then tip of minute hand, then hour hand, and what is, second hand, correct, second hand. These are the example of circular motion, and these all example we have to observe in our everyday of life, from early morning to our sleeping condition. We have to observe all these phenomena which are done in a natures, right? So this is the simple definition of circular motions and some example. Means if you consider the diagram of the circular motion, means a figure is considered here. Suppose I draw the figure is here, boys. Right? So this is the one circle. These are the center line. This is the point O. Suppose we have the one particle P at a distance of radius R, right? So this particle P move along this circle. The particle P move along the circumference of a circle. This is called as a circular motions. Means if you draw this, what is this? This is called as the circumference of circle. What is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. And this is the particle P. Particle P. Right? So simple figure number 1. Right? So this is the one of the concept of a rotational dynamics. Which one? Circular motion. Now another concept in a rotational dynamics. Which concept? Yes. The body is rotate about its own axis. Which concept they are? Rotational motion concept. So second concept we have to learn here. The point number is B. Second concept, rotational motion. Second concept, okay, of a rotational dynamics. So students, let's we define the rotational motions. So what is the rotational motion? Very simple definition, very simple. The rotational motion is defined as the body it rotates. Okay, what is I am write down? The rotational motion is defined as the body it rotates about its own axis is called as what is rotational motion. Called as rotational motion. Simple definition. This example, right? This is the body. Okay, this body is rotates about its own axis. This is the axis. This is the body. This is called as the rotational motions. Okay, so if you draw the one figure, simple figure here, whatever the shape, consider a point, consider at any shape of a body revolving, any shape of a body rotates, not rotates, you write down the rotates about its own axis. You consider, suppose whatever the shape, whatever the shape of the body I draw here, right? This body it rotates about its axis. This is the axis of a body. This line it is called as axis, right? I mark this point axis O to O dash, and this is the body. Okay, and suppose this body is rotated in any direction, it may be anti-clockwise or it may be clockwise about its own axis. This concept it is called as the rotational motion. So this is the figure number 2. So boys, tell me the example of rotational motion, because in introduction of our first chapter rotational dynamics, the first word is mentioned. Every day we have to observe all this concept, circular motion and rotational motion. So which is the example you write down here? Yes, very easy. Yes, correct. What is the example? The earth rotates about its own axis. This is the one of the example in our natures. Okay. Second example, everyday life, daily routine example. What is the example? Ceiling fan, correct? The ceiling fan. The ceiling fan is an example of rotational motion, because this ceiling fan is rotated about its own axis. Okay, so this is the simple and beautiful introduction of a word rotational dynamics. Right, students? Yes. So in our next lecture we are to discuss the points 1.1, means what is the characteristics of circular motion. So this will be explained next lecture. Okay, thank you very much.